Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your USB device keeps disconnecting and reconnecting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go ahead and double click on the USB section, so the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. And then you want to double click on each one of these entries in here. And if there's a power management tab, go ahead and select it. And if there's an option to allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, you want to uncheck that option and select OK. And you will go down the list of all the USB devices in here and do the same. Not every device will have a power management tab, as you can see. And then once you're done with that, you will go ahead and actually close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And see if that has now resolved your issue. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select Edit, and then paste it in. You can close out of the command prompt at this time and select the Advanced button. Make sure it's set to Apply Repairs automatically and then select Next. Go ahead and select Enabled. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. Again, let's just restart your computer one more time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem at this point. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.